In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Arc Raiders crashing or not working on your PS5. So basically the first step is going to be for you to go into games here on your PS5 and then select Arc Raiders. Now on your PS5 controller, just click on your options button here as you can see and then click on check for update. Make sure that you have the latest update. So it's going to say here if you do, and that is perfect. Now the second step is going to be for you to go into settings right here, and then you're going to go on users and accounts as you can see. Then scroll down in here, click on other and click on restore licenses. Then select Arc Raiders right here and click on restore. And you can just click on yes here as you can see, and it's going to restore here. It might take a couple of seconds by the way for it to complete. But yeah, do this and then go back into your settings here once again. Now in here, scroll down and click on system and then click on system software and then click on system software update and settings and make sure that this one is up to date. You can click here and then click on update using internet as you can see. So do this and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.